All right. And the last part of logic is symbols. We can write our conditional statements using symbols. So here, the first symbol is and it looks like a capital A just without the line in the middle. The second one, or, was represented by a V. Third one, we have 3 dots, which represents therefore. This fourth one here, well, before we had a line, just one straight line with one head that meant if then. Now we have 2 heads on our arrow, if and only if. It goes both ways, biconditional. Last one, we've seen before, the little squiggly line, that means not. Now, look at this first question. Let P represent angle A is acute, Q represent angle B is acute. Create a symbolic representation of the following argument. First statement, angle A is acute if and only if angle B is acute. So this first part, angle A is acute, is represented by P. So I'll put a P here. If and only if, the arrow with 2 heads, and then angle B is acute is represented by Q. So I'll go ahead and say that's this right here. Next one, angle A is acute or angle B is acute. Or, here's our symbol, the V. So angle A is P, angle B is Q, and in the middle we have V for or. The last part, we have therefore angle A is acute and angle B is acute. So therefore represented by 1, 2, 3 dots. Angle A is acute, that is what? RP. And angle B is acute. Angle B is our Q, and then in the middle we have and. So let's see. For the second statement, we have PVQ, so that would be this one. For the last one, therefore 3 dots, P and Q. So that will be this one right here. Second question over here. Let P represent Brent works this summer, Q represent Brent takes a vacation, which symbolically represents the following argument. So if Brent works this summer, he will not take a vacation. If Brent works this summer, we said that was what? That's our P. So P, Brent works this summer. P, then he will not take a vacation. So P, then Q. No, it says P, then not Q. So I'm going to write them a little squiggly line. Q, P, then not Q. Second statement, Brent takes a vacation. That's just represented by Q right here. So I'll say this is Q. And the last part, therefore, Brent does not work this summer. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 dots. Brent does not work this summer. Working this summer is Q or P. So if he does not work this summer, I have not P. So I'm looking for these symbols, this symbol, and then these symbols here. So P implies not Q. That means I can already mark off B here. That's not right. I can mark off D here. Not right. All right, second line I need Q. A and C both have Q. And the third line I need therefore, not P. A does not have therefore, so then C is our answer.